In this video, we listed the 5 best walking pads that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GOYOUTH 2-in-1 Treadmill. The GOYOUTH electric treadmill is a powerful and quiet fitness machine designed for adults and youth. It features a 2.25 HP motor, non-slip running belt, and shock reduction system, making it suitable for running, jogging, and walking at home or in the office. The treadmill comes with a multifunction display, Bluetooth speaker, and remote control for convenience. With a compact design and easy portability, it is ideal for exercise, fitness, and office work breaks. The maximum speed of 6 km/h and 2.25 horsepower make it a versatile and efficient fitness equipment for a wide range of users. Number 2. UREVO Treadmill with Desk. The UREVO 3-in-1 foldable treadmill is a versatile and innovative fitness equipment that combines the benefits of a treadmill, walking machine, and working machine. It offers a stable and comfortable workout experience with a large removable table for holding a laptop or books. The treadmill is designed for easy folding and storage, with no installation required. It features a 3 HP powerful motor, a maximum speed of 8.6 miles per hour, and a 286 pounds weight capacity. The treadmill also includes a display on the handlebar and remote control, 8 silicone shock absorbers for reduced impact, and a wider running surface for added space. It is suitable for walking, running, and working, making it ideal for treadmill enthusiasts. Number 3. WalkingPad R2 Treadmill. The WalkingPad R2 is a black foldable treadmill designed for adults, with dimensions of 57-inch x28, x 40.5h and a weight of 35.9 kilograms. It is made of metal and has a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour, making it suitable for walking, jogging, and running. The treadmill features a 2-in-1 180 degrees folding design, remote control, and app connectivity. It also boasts a quiet motor, shock absorption system, dedicated slot for phone and tablet, safety clip, front handle for balance, and LED panel for monitoring speed, distance, and workout time. The product comes with a 1-year warranty and is designed to save space with its smooth rolling wheels for easy transport. Number 4. Egofit Walker Pro. The Highwalker Incline 5 degrees treadmill is a compact and lightweight under-desk treadmill designed for adults, with dimensions of 38.39-inch x 26.18, x 6.89h and a weight of 48.5 pounds. Made of alloy steel, it has a maximum speed of 3.1 miles per hour and a maximum horsepower of 2.0. The treadmill features a special compact design, making it suitable for addition to a work-from-home setup. It comes fully assembled and offers easy handling with maneuverable wheels and remote control options. With a sound level of less than 70 dB, it allows for quiet operation, and with a solid build, it can support up to 220 pounds of user weight. The treadmill also offers both remote and app control for convenient use. Number 5. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus folding treadmill is a compact and innovative 2-in-1 treadmill designed for adults. It features a powerful 2.25 HP motor, non-slip running belt, and multifunctional LED display, making it suitable for walking, jogging, and home office use. With a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour and a foldable design, it offers convenience and versatility. The treadmill also comes with a phone holder, remote control, and app control for added convenience. Its sturdy steel frame and shock-absorbing design ensure a quiet and comfortable running experience.